Now next important topic is bolts. Even bolts are also made up of high tensile round steel bars. So even bolts are also made up of round high tensile steel bars. So what is the difference between your rivet and bolt? So both the rivet and bolt are having heads. So for example, if you take a rivet and a bolt, even this is having a head, this is having a head, both are having a diameter. But what is the difference between a rivet and a bolt? This is a rivet, this is a bolt. Even this is having head, even this is also having a head. So what is the difference? Even this is also having a diameter, even this is also having a diameter. The main difference between the rivet and a bolt is thread region. For your bolt, we are having a thread region in order to fix the nut. In order to connect two members, we will place a bolt, and from the bottom we use nut. That is the reason why it has thread, whereas for riveting directly we have to use a hammer or something mechanical devices to connect them. So the main difference between your rivet and bolt is both are having heads, but the major difference is it does not have any head, it is flat, but it has a threaded region. It has a threaded region. So a bolt has a head at one end and threaded portion at another end. So in order to connect the two members by using bolts, we must use one bolt along with your two steel washers. So these two rectangular plates are very tiny, are mostly used to connect a bolt, because in order to prevent the bearing up of two connected members, we use two steel washers along with the nut. So this is the head of a bolt, and this is the total length of the bolt, total length, and this is called grip of the bolt or grip length. The length from the steel washer below the head to the steel washer above the nut. So this is called a nut, and this region is called threaded region. This is a bolt, this is a head, these two are steel washers. This is called as steel washer. This is a bolt, this is a head, two steel washers, nut and threaded region. So bolts, we are having different types of bolts based upon their heads. They are classified as follows: unfinished bolts, unfinished bolts, finished bolts, turned bolts, and rivet bolts. Even bolts are also made up of by using high tensile round steel ductile bars, whereas for your bolt we are having head at one end and threaded region at another end. This is called as total length from head to down. This is called total length of the bolt. From steel washer to another steel washer above the nut is called grip length, and these two are called steel washers, and this is the nut region. The various types of bolts are finished, unfinished bolts, finished bolts, turned bolts and rivet bolts. The next very important topic is welding. when the two structural members are connected together by using this process, that is weld or welding, is called as welded connections. When two structural elements are connected together are called as welded joints. This welding process creates a metallurgical bond between the two members. It creates a bond. That bond is called metallurgical bond. Between the two connected members. Or elements. So it creates a metallurgical bond between the two connected members. We are having many types of welding processes. Among them, two are important for us. One is arc welding, and next important thing is acetylene gas welding. We have many types of welding processes. Among them, arc welding and oxyacetylene gas welding are very important. So, for example, if you are having two metal plates, so we need to create a metallurgical bond between the two metal plates. So, in these welding processes, what happens? First it transfers these two metal ends into a liquid state. It transforms it changes into a liquid state. It creates a bond or substance into a liquid state. When it is in a liquid state, we can easily join together. After cooling, it attains bond. After attains its solid state, it becomes strong, and these two metal plates are joined together. This process is called as welding. So, what is welding? In order to join two metal plates or any metals together, first we have to make into not the total complete section, the section which are to be joined together. At that particular section, at both the ends, here and here, it is formed to liquid state. When after joining together, after cooling at room temperature, at particular temperature, it attains its solid state. If it attains solid state, it means that it has gained its welding. It is called as welded joint. So, joint is formed between the two plates. This is called as welded joint. So, what is a welding? Welding is a process by creating a metallurgical bond between the two plates. So, we are having many types of welded process. Among them, arc welding, oxyacetylene gas welding is very important. So, we have to keep that bond is metallurgical bond, welding. So, as per your syllabus, fillet weld, so we are discussing about welds only. This topic is very important for your exam.